Hello everyone, welcome back to the Optimal Life. Today we are doing an EDC unboxing. EDC stands for Everyday Carry. So I have in front of me a pocket knife by Victorinox, a Swiss, also known as the Swiss Army knife. This is the Spartan edition, and we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the features. Since I've been doing so many unboxings for you guys, I decided to get a proper tool to do the unboxings with, and this is going to be one of them. So here it is. The box is very small. It just says Victorinox Swiss Army with their classic logo. It's silver metallic finish, and then on the other side you just have some writing here in foreign language, which I cannot read because I believe it's French. I think what it says here is it's made in Switzerland probably. Then we have some barcodes on this side. Then on the other side it says your full product manual. You go to their website, so they don't include any user manuals with it. You have to go to their website to figure it out. They've done that to probably save some cost so that you don't have to provide you with a user manual or booklet. And it's a recyclable product. The packaging, not the product itself, it's Swiss made, and over here it says from the makers of the original Swiss Army knife. On the box side over here, it just shows you the serial number. It's Spartan and black in color. The other side is plain. So let's take it out. Alright, here it is, guys. So I've purchased the Spartan edition and it cost me only $24 on Amazon. It's not a very expensive one, but it does the job really well. As you can see, it has a very nice black lacquered finish with the Swiss Army logo over here, also known as the Victorinox logo. The other side is plain black lacquered. There's no clip. This is the most basic version. It just has a key ring holder over here. And on further examining the functions, let's look at all of them one by one. So we have this 2.5-inch main blade over here that is very sharp, can cut through a lot of stuff, and it has a marking over here on this side that it is Officier Suisse. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I think what it means is Swiss Army officer. And on this side it says Victorinox Swiss made stainless steel blade, and it's about 2.5 inches in length, and the whole knife itself with this open is about 6 inches. If you close it up, it's about 3.5 inches in length. Now we do have a secondary blade here, which is about 1.5 inches approximately, I believe. And close that up. Let's look at the other sets. You have a can opener tool here with a 3mm flat head screwdriver, and this is also one of their classic tools. On the other side of that, you have the bottle opener tool with a 6mm flat screw head. It can be used as a screwdriver. And then you have a wire stripper tool over here as well. You see this notch here that can be used for that. And what else we have here? So that's pretty much on this side over here. On the other side, you have this very prominent corkscrew opener. And then on the back, you have a very lesser known tool, also known as the sewing awl, or with the sewing eye. Snap back in. Let's look at it more closely. So it's not very commonly used, but it's basically for sewing, and this one comes with a sewing eye, so if you actually have some thread, you can do an emergency sewing job. Also known as the awl, but Victorinox likes to call it the reamer or punch tool. So technically this is a pocket knife, but also can be considered a multi-tool. Last but not the least, we have two more things here. We have this toothpick in here on this side. On the other side, we have tweezers. Very useful. So definitely it covers your basic EDC functions. About 2 ounces in weight, very lightweight, so you can carry it in your pocket, in your wallet. If you have a large bag, you can carry it in there. You can carry it in your backpack, and you won't feel it at all. It can just completely disappear. It can go incognito, and you won't even know about it. So very useful to have on everyday carry. Either you're going hunting or just going anywhere at all. It's really useful to have, and without a doubt, it can serve as a very good unboxing tool as well, which is what I will be primarily using it for. So there it was, a quick review of this Swiss Army Spartan knife by Victorinox. If you guys enjoyed, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.